Hey there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and I'm back with another episode in our tested series. Today, I'm going to show you the LED lighting kit. It comes in a 6-pack from GET. I bought it on Amazon.com. I'm going to use this to create better lighting for all the videos that I'm showing you. So my friends, let's get cracking. Alrighty friends, so in the box we get, of course, the LED light and its attached control box. We also get a template that shows us how large a circle to cut out. This does stick on the item that you're cutting, so that does make it pretty slick. And of course, we get the make sure you're happy note where they tell us that they've got friendly customer service, phone numbers, also has the email address, and a chance to check them out on Facebook. Let's track down the manual that comes with it. It is this small page right here. Few simple steps: turn off the power, open the ceiling hole, connect the wires, install the junction box, push the light into the ceiling, and test to see if it works normally. Those kind of steps are right in my wheelhouse. So let's see what we can do. Over here they talk about diagnosis if you have an issue, checking to see that you connected it right, and then for the warranty and support, it shows how to get customer service, send it to the official email. You can also contact the seller directly at Amazon. Within 30 days, if you're not satisfied and did not damage the package and barcode, you can contact them for a direct return. Within a year, they have accessories and technical support for free. And within 1 to 3 years, you still get accessories and technical support, and it'll guide customers to repair the light. You may have to pay the accessory fee and shipping. And over a year, still technical support for free, and it'll guide you to repair the light. If we're looking at the device, you can see it is extremely thin, super simple to clip in place so it stays up in your ceiling. I'm actually going to create a virtual ceiling tile so you can see how it mounts. Alright friends, this one's kind of fun. Right here I've got some cardboard and it's in my Glowforge, and I'm going to create virtual ceiling tiles for us to attach our project. And why not show you how it works while we do it? That circle is about 6 1/4 inches, and then all I have to do is click print. And then over here at the Glowforge, you can see that I've put the template in place, and the button is ready to be pressed so we can watch it do its thing. And let's take a look with our fake ceiling tile cutout. Let's open up the box. You'll notice that it has a lid that you can just pull open. It's got a little
pretty
snap
easy
that
to
holds
open.
it in place once you're
It has a total of 3 wires, and it's got 3 clips that you can use
that
if
we're going
you've
to
got
use
that type
to put
of
it all
adapter.
together. Alrighty friends, let's show you how easy this is to wire up. So I am making mine portable. This is just a computer cord that I cut off the end. Notice it has the matching wires, green, white, and black. Smart to test those if you've got a tester. I've already got this figured out, so I know that it is correct. You need to bust out a hole so that your cord can come in. So I'm going to bust out this side. Simply put your straight screwdriver inside and twist it back and forth a few times. Do a couple rotations, and that little disc will pop out, and then you can get rid of it because you definitely don't want that jiggling up in your ceiling later. Make sure you slide your cord inside. There's nothing less fun than finding out you forgot to do that after you've got everything attached. And then simply use wire nuts to attach the parts. Alrighty friends, here is my virtual ceiling tile that I cut with a laser cutter just because I can. So let's run the cables through our virtual ceiling tile, because you got to make sure they're up above. And then the little clips simply come up above and lock it in so it stays in place. Just like that, flush mount LED, looking totally sweet, especially with the fun laser cut tile. All right, my friends, so there you can see how easy it is. Once you plug it in, you have got a 14 watt that's giving out 100 watts of LED bright light. Super simple, super slick. Let me show you a fun place that I'm going to use it to help get better, higher quality video. Alrighty, friends, so let me show you part 2 of my plan. This is a lighting stick I created with just an old jug and some cement in it. You put the quick drying cement, and then you can move around and use that light to increase the quality of your video. So my friends, here you can see me with the light on, and hopefully you notice that the video is more high quality. I'm also working on getting this so it's using the dimmer switches. I just need to buy a dimmer switch, and I'll post another video of that later. But friends, I am totally impressed with these GET LED lights. They are super simple to install. If you've already got the holes in your ceiling, it's almost no work at all to wire them up, and boom, you will have sweet, efficient LED lighting in your house. Friends, if you found this video useful, please hit that like button. If you've got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.